Hi everyone, this is Dr. Fryer, and today's September 19th, 2022, and in this screencast I'd like to show you how you can turn in your Spike Prime code on your iPad into Google Classroom. So we're going to go ahead and switch over to the Spike Prime software, and we've made a little program here just as an example. You probably want to change the name of your project, so instead of Project 1, we'll just call this iPad Test. But you can give it a name that makes sense, and that way you're going to be able to identify that later. So in order to share this, you're going to click on the Home button, and then you're going to click down at the bottom of the screen on My Projects. And when you do that, you can select, you can select your project. So My Projects, tap the little dot in the corner so it doesn't open it. And then you have a Share button there on the right side. And so when I tap Share, I'm going to be able to choose Google Classroom. Now, you can actually also use the three dots, maybe that's faster, and you can go ahead and click Share there. But either way, you're going to get this list of different places you can share. Notice that you can move these around so that if you want to, I think you can, no, maybe not. You should have Google Classroom as an option. And so when you tap on Google Classroom right there, it should allow you to select the assignment that you want. Now, if you're not in the right class, go ahead and tap on the class and select the class so you're in the correct one. And then you can say Add to Assignment, and then you can add it here. This one's going to be called Practice Turn-ins, and so it's going to attach it. So now I've got both of those. I'm ready to turn it in. I can go ahead and tap Turn In. Now, if for some reason you've already submitted it or whatever, you can also put it into Google Drive, so you'll do the same thing. So once you're in your project, you have to click on the Home button. You're going to go at the bottom to choose My Projects, and then choose the three dots and Share. And instead of sharing to Google Classroom, you could choose Google Drive, and you could put it there. But again, you're going to want to make sure you have your file named, your project named right. Otherwise, you'll be confused about what it is, and you won't know which one you need to turn in. But you can put it in Google Drive, and then you could go from Google Drive and put it into Google Classroom from there. So I hope that is helpful to you. If you'd like to see more tutorials, you can go to the website lessons.wesfryer.com, and you can click on the How-To link at the top, where we've got more tutorials about other things, including Lego Spike Prime, Scratch, and other good topics.